Hey people, in this video I'm going to be showing you the coolest massager that you can get on Amazon. Now I don't normally make tech videos on this sort of stuff, but it's technology in a sense. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. Today guys, we have a product by Papillon. I'm not entirely sure how to say this, but this is going to be a really short video guys, but this is for all you guys who want want to relax a little bit more, wants a shiatsu massager and something that's inexpensive but also gets the job done. Tested this one out a little bit, and I have to say it's life-changing. So if there's anything that you get out of this video, at the end, you should go pick this up, and this is not a sponsored video by any means, but here just showing off the box. As you can see, I'm just gonna hold it up to the camera real quick, but generally the main features, it's a shiatsu massager. It's pretty small and compact, I'll show it in a second. It's got 4 powerful 3D kneading shiatsu massage nodes with comfortable heat, relax your overuse in my tight muscles. It's like barely even English. It's got auto programs, so every 15 minutes it'll automatically shut off, so there's no overheating issues, because it does actually have heating capabilities in addition to the shiatsu massage, which is great. And it's got 3 adjustable speeds that allow you to get the suitable amount of pressure to relieve your muscle pain. So let's take the box, let's throw it over here, and let's show you what this thing actually looks like. So I just want to note that it's not actually battery powered. When I first got it, I was like, oh, it's battery powered, but it's not. This is what it looks like. And at the back of it, we have a cable. And I was like, okay, this is a permanently attached cable. Like, what is this for? And it's even Velcro. What is this? I have like a Velcro strap right here for some reason. Maybe that's like, if you want to install it like on a car rest or something, or a car headrest, like put it on the back like that. I don't know, put it on your luggage. I'm not an expert, but yeah, it has this cable sticking out the back. We have an AC adapter that it comes with, so you just kind of take this cable and plug it in, and now you can actually deliver power to the massager. Papillon, as you can see right there. So yeah, it's like really small and compact, as you can see next to my face. We have 2 buttons on it. We have on, off, and then we have this one, which I think adjusts different speeds and stuff like that. So as it mentioned on the box, it does automatically turn off after 15 minutes. Another thing I noticed, when you click like on and off, that'll also cycle through the heating capabilities of it. So if you like click it once, it'll start just like power it up, just start doing the standard massage thing. Click it again, it'll turn the heat on. You know the heat's on because it'll have sort of these red lights going on here. Let me plug this in real quick actually. I want to show you guys what this looks like. Luckily, I have a switch right by me. Okay, so we turn it on. As you can see, it starts rotating. So like you literally just put this behind my chair and just sit here, and it feels great. As I mentioned, this is not a sponsored video by any means. This is me just wanting to talk about this cool gift I got for Christmas. Should be able to, and now it's reversing. I clicked power again, and now the heat turned off. Now it's fully off. It's on, click it again, it's gonna stop, go the opposite direction. Click it again, it's gonna turn the heat off. That's completely off. And the other button, as I mentioned, adjusts the speed, so how cool is that? So, I mean, if you want, I'm not a massage expert by no means, but I used this on like all parts of my back and it felt great. And because it's inexpensive, it's also great. So I'm gonna leave a link to down in the description for you guys to go pick this up. If you want a massager, I know I've always been looking for one. So I got this as a gift, now I have one, and I don't miss not having one, if that makes sense. It's always nice to have a massager, decompress after a long day's work and stuff like that. So go pick one of these up, guys. I've been rambling. Papillon, if you want to sponsor me in a future video, by all means, get in contact, email down below, business email down below. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye, everyone. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.